It's out. Got a truck on fire up here. Ain't much I can do. That ought to make good YouTube sensation today. Check this out. Look at that, smoke rising. I don't think I can get up there to get a good video of it. Somebody didn't check their brakes. I might have to make a separate video of this today. Check this out. If I could get on top of my trailer. That'll make a good YouTube video for today. That'll be on YouTube by the end of the day. Somebody didn't check something. That'll be on YouTube by the end of the day.
You'd have to have him on the side, wouldn't he? Yeah, so maybe
People,
good.
sir, you know?
I just come walking out. That'll be on my YouTube channel by the end of the day.
Hold on, truck's burning.
Right. Because their emblem is that diamond, right? Okay. I saw that on the back. I was like,
I can't do two cameras at once. That's a Freightliner.
Oh, it is a
Whiteland.
Yep.
Cascadia?
No.
Oh, hell no. It's crispy now.
That'll be on YouTube by the end of the day. Watch.
Oh, shit.
Give me time to edit the video.
What are you talking about? I'm on Facebook now.
Live streaming on Facebook.
Right.
Look, he's gonna have the best video with his GoPro.
Oh yeah.
Fucking 1080, baby. Fucking
Just look for
1080.
Trucker Erik Rides Again on YouTube. You'll find it by the end of the night.
What is it?
Trucker Erik Rides Again on
Trucker
YouTube.
Erik rides again.
Yep. Simple.
Let me make a quick debut.
Alright, photobomb it. Make sure you put your name in there so
I
they
will,
all
I
know.
will, man, I will.
I just went in to get my old CV fixed. All that nicotine in it.
Nah,
Don't smoke in
mate.
your trucks, man.
No.
5 years of nicotine. I worked fire department back home, up in North Idaho at Lookout Pass.
But you guys seen some cool shit out there, huh?
Man. I've been with this fire department since like 2012 and never had a fire, a lot of EMS calls.
Yeah.
Last time I was home, I had 2 in the same week. I was
No
like, are you
shit.
kidding me? Chicken coop fire.
That's a beautiful part of the country.
Yeah, that's why I live up there. Chicken coop fire. Look at these guys just driving right out by.
I know, man.
Close the stupid
Yeah, he
exit.
just shut that ramp down.
That's where he's heading.
Shut it down.
Well, I want to see
Built
the pretty
some
fire
stout,
truck.
right? Burn through big.
Yeah,
right?
but
Oh yeah, big toast.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but the heat of that fire, whatever's in there,
Oh yeah.
it will start.
Oh, yeah.
It'll be a combustible.
Right.
Just the heat alone, the flame doesn't have to reach the trailer. The heat will start a fire. Either had a wheel seal go out or a brake.
Those things are always overloaded.
Oh, for sure. Oh, for sure.
With 2 tires like butt cheeks.
Well, and yeah, I mean, his duals probably might not have been touching till they loaded him.
Right.
You know.
Exactly,
Right, and then he's rubbing hard after they do, and he, I mean,
And you know how they
unless
all
you
run
trip
them
your truck
fuckers, they just
again,
go,
right?
go,
Right,
go,
exactly,
go.
right. Unless you trip it again.
So we're gonna see this on Trucker's Wall of Shame.
Yo, I'm glad we were just getting ready. I'm with this utility company setting these light poles. We were just getting ready to set a light pole right there, but we called it a day. I'm glad we didn't.
Call the boss. This ain't happening today.
Dude, I'm so glad we didn't.
I know my truck's right next to yours. There's that green one.
Well, we'd park it over there in the yard with the other equipment, but them guys been stealing trailers. They steal everything. We got all aluminum poles and aluminum arms, and it's tough enough leaving it out on
Man,
the
the grass
job
is
site.
catching fire. We're gonna be down here burning our trucks. That fire out in no time.
Oh yeah.
There's no way to get up there either. I think I put my GoPro in my
65's
pocket.
about to be fucked. Just having that
I know,
ramp
right?
shut down.
Fucking yeah, right out of rush hour too.
Oh
man.
yeah, buddy.
Grass is taking on.
Yeah,
Well, that's the bad part about a GoPro. You can't see what you're filming
I know.
unless I have the app on.
I don't know, it's been a while. I think they're all still going through. Pretty sure they are.
We have 6 paid at our station, and all the rest of us 20 are volunteer. I've been doing it 20 plus years.
You're in Whiteland?
No, up in North Idaho on I-90.
No, I was just wondering if, because I grew up here, but I knew they were all volunteer when I grew up here. But I moved on.
Yeah, but things have changed. I mean, they still might have volunteer and paid both.
Oh, they got a shit ton of volunteers down here too. Atta baby.
I might save the truck.
I'm dumbfounded more didn't catch.
You get it with a wide V, shouldn't it?
Yeah, instead of that direct spray.
You get it with a wide V.
It's the only way to do it.
Down some.
Start high and work your way low.
Well, I'll never forget. I was young, man, and I was riding with my foreman, and we was in a KW, and it had a flat deck tip trailer, and we was pulling our trencher, and the top part of the trailer was wood, and I flicked fucking cigarette out, and I think none of us smoked cigarettes in the truck all day.
Yeah.
The butt goes back, lands on top of the wood deck, and catches a case of marking paint on fire, full case. So, and it's warm, dry summer day. I look back, I'm like, Jeremy, the fucking paint's on fire. Of course, I hit it with the little baby extinguisher that's in the cab. It don't do shit. Before I know it, the whole fucking thing's on fire, and we call the fire department. As soon as they pull up, those paint cans start fucking popping. Big fucking fireballs right up. I'm just sitting here, my fucking head in my hand, my boss pulls up, he's cracking the fuck up, you know. Because fortunately it was old wood, so you know, they was able to just pull it off and redeck it and shit. But fuck, man.
I had no cutlets caught on fire when I was a kid. The caliper caught on fire.
Oh yeah. Oh fuck, I bet. Them burns hot too.
It was right out front of my house, and it was over 76 cutlets. So about, I don't know, 78. I don't know, about the first year they started putting caliper.
Right.
And outside, somebody banging on my door. Hey man, your car's on fire. Like, dude, shit.
No
I mean,
shit.
this fucking
You was already in the house, huh?
Yeah,
No
I was
shit.
asleep.
See, that's a paid and a volunteer, because you can tell by the red helmet
Right,
and the yellow.
right.
Yeah, because that's all us y'all volunteers got yellow helmets, and then the paid ones got the red one.
Got the red, right.
It wasn't as bad as it looked like. The tires broke.
Yeah, they gotta cool that motherfucker off.
I'm out of here, fellas. Good luck.
Yeah,